Welcome back to the podcast. Today we're talking about one of the most famous events in history, the moon landing. In 1969, the Apollo 11 moon landing put humans on the moon for the very first time. But even today, some people still believe it was all fake. So what's the truth? Let's break it down.
On July 20, 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon and said the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." He was joined by Buzz Aldrin while Michael Collins stayed in the orbit above the moon. The mission was led by NASA during the intense space race between the United States and the Soviet Union.
Even though millions watched it live, some people believe the moon landing was staged. Here are a few of their main arguments. Number one, the flag looks like it's waving. In the videos, the American flag seems to move like it's blowing in the wind, but there's no air on the moon. Number two, there is no stars in the photos. Pictures from the moon don't show stars in the sky, and some people say that's suspicious. Number three, strange shadows. Some claim the shadows in the photos don't line up correctly, suggesting studio lighting. Number four, Cold War pressure. During the Cold War, the United States really wanted to beat the Soviet Union. Some think this pressure could have led to a fake landing.
Now let's look at the facts and why scientists strongly agree the moon landing really happened. Number one, the flag only looks like it's moving. The flag had a metal rod to keep it extended. When astronauts moved it, it kept shaking because there's no air resistance to stop it. That's why it looks like it's waving. Why there are no stars. Number two, the cameras were set to capture bright objects like the moon's surface, and the astronauts' stars are much dimmer, so they didn't show up. Just like how you can't see stars in daytime photos on Earth. Number three, shadows are normal on the moon. The moon's surface is uneven, which makes the shadow look strange. Plus, sunlight isn't perfectly straight when it reflects off the ground. Number four, moon rocks. Astronauts brought back about 842 pounds of moon rocks. Scientists around the world have studied them, and they are different from anything found on Earth. Number five, laser reflectors still work today. Astronauts left mirrors on the moon. Scientists still bounce lasers off them to measure the distance between Earth and moon. You can't fake that. Other countries confirmed it. Number six, even the Soviet Union, America's rival, tracked the mission and never claimed it was fake.
So if there's so much proof, why do people still doubt it? Some people mistrust the government, others are influenced by movies, social media, or misinformation. Big events sometimes feel too incredible, so people question them. The Apollo 11 moon landing remains one of humanity's greatest achievements. While conspiracy theories can be interesting to explore, that these scientific evidence strongly shows that humans did reach land the moon. Sometimes the truth sounds unbelievable, but that doesn't make it fake. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, share with a friend and keep asking big questions. See you next time.